Hello and welcome to the Business of Doing Business. In today's episode, I'm going to be explaining to you the difference between the infamous trademark and copyright symbols. I'm talking about that circled R, that teeny tiny little circled R, that teeny tiny little TM, and the teeny tiny circled C. Pick up a product or a book or any type of item within the room you're in right now, and you're probably going to find one of these symbols somewhere on it. As a business owner, understanding the difference between these small symbols can make a huge difference in safeguarding your business assets and avoiding legal complications. All right, so first up, let's talk about the trademark symbols. Those are our small tm and the circled R. The small tm is a symbol used to indicate your trademark rights and that you are claiming rights to them, even if it hasn't been federally registered yet. This is a great way to put others on notice that you consider your trademark, whether it's your brand name, your logo, slogan, tagline, hashtag, or more. It can also deter others from generically using your mark. You can use the small tm symbol after your company name, your brand name, your logo, your slogan, etc. on all of your marketing materials, website, social media platform, and more. And again, you can use that small TM even if you have not applied for or been granted the federal registration of your trademark. That might mean you can even begin using it today. Next, that brings us to the small circled R. This symbol is reserved for trademarks that have been federally registered with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. This registration grants you the exclusive rights to the use of your trademark in connection with your goods and services across the country. Be cautious of using it though if you haven't registered your trademark yet. Using the registered trademark symbol without registration can lead to further legal issues. And finally, the copyright symbol. I'm talking about you, teeny tiny circled C. This symbol indicates that this is a protected work under copyright law. Copyright law applies to original works of art or authorship. This includes written works, audio works, and visual works. So yes, this includes your photography, videography, music, podcast recordings, books, courses, and more. While you don't need to register your copyright with the U.S. Copyright Office in order to use this symbol, registration does offer additional legal protections. Include the copyright symbol along with the year the work was created and the name of the rightful copyright owner in order to assert your rights clearly. Using these symbols correctly can help protect your intellectual property and informs others of your legal claims. This can deter potential infringers and strengthen both your brand's identity and integrity. Here are a few practical steps to ensure that you're using them correctly. Number one, audit your materials. Regularly check your marketing materials, including your website, social media profiles, and product packaging to ensure that you're using the correct symbols. Number two, educate your team. Make sure your team knows the importance of using these symbols consistently and correctly across all platforms. And number three, stay up to date. Intellectual property laws and best practices can change over time, so keep informed and up to date about any updates that might affect your business. By taking these simple steps, you can protect your business's asset and maintain a strong, recognizable brand. If you have any questions about trademarks, copyrights, or any other business or intellectual property related questions, you can leave your questions directly on YouTube in the comments section, or if you're listening to this in a podcast format, click the link in the show notes to submit your question directly to us, and we'll do our best to answer it in a future episode. As for this episode, I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Talk to you soon.